who made this beat, baby.
You see what it is? You see what it is? Brand new day. The check came through. The check finally came through. You see the glasses, you see the Cartiers. You know, people started getting their checks, bro.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna get mine.
Probably say like a month.
The government better give me my check, man. Better give me my check. If not, I'm gonna be mad as hell. I'm gonna be mad.
She got thousands though.
People are supposed to get a 1,000, yeah.
Hey, you seen that candle?
Right now.
Fool, I be turning up, fool, at the parties. You should have seen me at the parties, bro. I be turning. When I get drunk, I start dancing, fool. When the girl was twerking on me? That was in the summer. That was crazy.
Left wrist, right wrist, 100 pack, 10 keys, white bits. Niggas chopping.
I feel like people are starting to come out more now. Have you noticed that, or am I tripping? Like, a lot of people do, but for a little bit, like, it was less food. Now, like, more and more people are starting to come out.
Straight to the strip club. Gotta get a pint, I'm trying to sit, bro. Nigga out of pocket, get his bitch, bro. All I fuck with is gangsters and sippers.
I hope it ends like by next month, bro.
All I
I'm
fuck
tired of
with is
this.
gangsters and sippers. For a pint of right now. All I fuck with is gangsters and sippers. You can ask around town.
Fool, like, I'm trying to make my own money. I don't need the government's money. I don't need the government's money, bro.
Give her the stick, I'm like, bye, bitch, no chance. Put up with
That's
this count, ain't no run
Counts
around.
been on that.
Caught a nigga at the light, I had to gun him down.
This gonna be the thumbnail. Thumbnail. Who I hear? Thumbnail. La bolsita. You just see who that like stop us?
Nah, they're like, let me get an announcement real quick.
Bro. They're like, we're gonna confiscate this.
Hell yeah.
All like high shelf. Huh? Look at them. Look at
jars.
Twerk.
Give me the jars, fool. I'm about to walk out.
They really want to raid it.
Raid it with 2 people.
You never know. Fool. Nah, huh?
Bro, right there where I used to live, bro, like a little factory, fool. That shit low.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dummy right here with the bike. Dummy put out the bike, man. Something right.
I'm gonna pull it out real quick.
God. Do you see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? The other homie in the car. Look at the other homie. Damn, G.
How do you use that shit, Carlo?
I wanna get on it, but I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna run into some. Cause how do you stop?
That shit stalled on me.
Yeah, it has a clutch, huh?
I'm barely in.
Bro, that thing is fast.
I was barely going.
Yeah, I'm all zoomed in.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that thing is fast. Imagine we all get one of those, bro.
That's what I'm trying to do. We all slide down the block like that, imagine.
Should we buy? I'm lucky down to buy one.
How much you get it at?
He got it for like $5 bills.
That's straight.
That's straight, yeah, hell yeah. That and it's brand new. My boy crazy for that. Well, you almost fell, fool. Hey, Sway said let's go down here. Let's go. What is it?
It's like a street, like less cars.
Less cars on that street. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna walk it there right here. Just the close you can whip. We're about to go down the street. The homie's gonna take the bike. Hey, I wanna see this fool go down a hill with it.
There's a little hill right here.
This is gonna be a good vlog, bro. No cap. Yeah, the homie's gone.
Yeah, she's like that.
That thing is fast, bro. That thing is hella fast.
Coqui do be walking fast, fool.
Cause he left.
Coqui's like, what the fuck this nigga call? I'm about to press his ass when I see him. When it's from mi papacito.
Coque is a trooper, bro. Coque be going everywhere with him. This was coming. Hell yeah, off the hill, that thing is scary, bro.
D1 flies over a car, fool.
Damn. Like, didn't you say your homie got? Like, didn't you say your homie ran into a whip?
Yeah,
that's all about it. Ran into a whip.
But it's the other ones, you know, the
4-wheeler.
No, the 2-wheeler, pero los que tienen la llanta más chiquitas, güey, like the mini bikes.
Mini bikes.
Yeah. This one's a little like mini dirt bike.
Yeah.
That is a mini.
That is a dirt bike.
The pirata ones.
Bro, I wish you could get one. Like, I wish you could all get one and like we go to the desert or something.
No queman ustedes, güey.
Well, you should have told us you were getting one.
I did. I told you like.
Nah, you didn't even tell us. You're like, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go to downtown.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to downtown.
I know.
Snake.
No, it's cause it's true, bro. Where was he gonna fit that if?
Alright, let's go to the
Hey, gorda.
Hey, chango.
Vamos a ver cómo es. You push it up to. Hell, bro. This will really fell off the bike.
That shit leaking.
Oh.
Fucking April.
Oh, she is leaking.
I think that's the gas.
Oh, it is the gas.
It is the gas, fool. That's why I didn't want to write that, fool.
I fucked up my hand.
Ah, bro, I see. Ah.
I can't walk on this shit, perro.
Oh, dang. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Ah.
I twisted my whole ankle, fool. It's all the way back there.
Right there. Yeah, you touched it early. That's what happened to me right now too. See, that's how I was trying to try it out. I was like,
All right.
this would do wrong.
All right, for sure. So, when you're like this, so to leave
It's funny because literally 2 minutes where he fell, he was like, "Lav, get on it," and I was like, "Nah," and then he fell.
Probably neutral.
Yeah, for sure. And then you take it off neutral,
Take it off neutral. Push it down.
and then after you take it out neutral,
It's one gear.
I'm gonna get on it. I'm not trying to like fall.
That could have been elbow, to be honest.
Yeah. I know it's always me that falls. That's why I was like, hell no, I'm not gonna
I
get.
took it for the teeth
Yeah,
today.
I was like, I'm not gonna get on it. Careful, fool.
That's a good thing. Nothing happened to it.
The fool demon was like, fuck Sway. I need to take care of my bike.
I just got that shit.
Like a playground.
Look at that, fool.
Gang, I had to spray rounds. How about perky with your bitch? We finna go round. Ripping your shit, nigga. Lay down the spot. Like a playground. Nigga, this a gang, I had to spray rounds. How about perky with your bitch? We finna.
nigga finally dropped this shit.
Strawberry everybody. The next day, we're right here with the homies. Met up with the homies. You know what it is. Also the one. Cozy.
Live onto this.
On a nigga like me. On a nigga like me.
See it?
How you gon' switch on a nigga like this?
Know what it is.
How you gon' bitch on a nigga like this? Hey, I've been to play since the
cooks, man.
6th grade. Got a shorty dick big. He look like Kim K.
For real, only they can swing it to the camera.
Ain't had that bitch you own.
I was like, we gonna pull up right there, sliding your whip, or what? Hit the marina?
Ain't nothing good if I approach you.
Mine's like, nah.
Hey, be careful, brothers. That
Yeah, good looks, that's it.
on some face shit. I paint my shit like that before.
Like that?
Yeah, bro. I fucked up.
Oh, you tall?
No, remember the fucking Honda?
Oh, yeah.
You hit that shit like that?
Yeah, I was faded because I didn't see some shit when I was training.
I say you knocked off the bumper, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, what'd you hit?
In the alley with his dumb ass. Huh?
Yeah.
Dang. Like, you see that big ass fucking roach? It's like a big ass
Yeah.
cigar. Man, there's another one over here, bro. Right, see?
Yeah.
Cigar.
Is the sun here?
No, for sure.
Window down.
Clean as it.
That's funny because we're just chilling up here and someone comes out, it just sees smoke.
Bitch, I'm in the fucking hell. Or I'm probably in a motherfucking coop. Swear to God, hey, everybody with me, stay ready to shoot. Oh, my mama, this shit is cocaine. Remember when cocaine? Now I be smoking propane.
God.
And there's some other shit too. Jeez, this shit's about to be awful. You vlogging, bro?
Yeah, bro.
So,
You feel me?
faded, G.
I feel you. Niggas knocked out. Classic man, smoking his six. Good look. Damn. Power, nigga, powered up. Nigga, it's faded. How you work this?
It's currently 3:40 something a.m. in the morning. Just woke up. Damn, I woke up faded, low key. But I think it's gonna be the end of the vlog. So if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys ain't a hater, and for all you fools that don't know me, they call me Lab the One. I'm gonna see you in the next one.